Hey guys, so this is going to be the first of a two-part series on how to get data much faster from interactive brokers. Um, so this video is going to be mostly concerned about using higher duration strings when getting bars that are larger than 5 seconds. Previously, in the previous videos, because I was focused on 5-second bars, I did 1 day at a time, because pretty much if you do more than 1 day at a time, it screws things up. It doesn't really work. It doesn't work. But if you're using like 1 minute bars, you can get away with using a lot larger duration strings. Also, okay, yeah, that's one thing. The second thing is, in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to, if you have multiple accounts like I do, I have 2 accounts and 2 users in each account. So 4 total users with data. I pay for 4 different users to have subscriptions. How to be able to use Python's threading to speed this process up and get many symbols worth of data. So let's get started. Okay, so step 1, of course, as always, is to connect to IB. First, you do the IB gateway. See, I already connected to all 4 of my users, but you do something like IB equals IB. Previously, do from IB-Insync import star, IB equals IB, util.start loop for notebooks, that's start loop, and then you do IB.connect, client equals 0, port equals, port equals 4001, client ID equals 0. Oops. Oh, I'm already logged into this. Sorry. Let me restart this. So first, let me show you guys like how to get the 1 minute bars. So remember, there's this function called bars equals util dot bars equals IB dot rec historical data. And remember, this had the contract, end date time, and so on. But we focused previously on 5-second bars. In this video, I'm going to focus on 1 minute bars and show you guys how you can do this way, way faster. So let's do this for Tesla, stock Tesla. Let me just write everything down. Symbol equals Tesla. Exchange equals smart. Currency equals USD. So now we can do IB.qualify contracts, contract. Now let's request historical data. We'll do the contract, and then what's the next thing? End date time. We'll keep blank. That's until current time. We will do. This is the key. If you want to do it much faster for higher granularities, than 5 seconds, for example, you can do duration string. Let me show you. So 1 month works. 3 months seems not to work. So in this case, we'll try 1 month at a time. What to show? Let's show trades and use regular trading hours. Let's do false because we want extended hours also. And okay, that should be it. So now watch this. I'm getting 1 month. Oh, sorry. Bar size setting. Setting equals 5 minutes. Let's do 1 minute. Okay. So I'm getting 1 minute bars, and I am getting 1 month worth of them. So this runs. And remember, previously we did 5-second bars. We couldn't use duration string as 1 month. It didn't let me do it. It always gives you an error and that sort of thing. So the smaller the size, the bar size, the smaller the duration string you're allowed to use. But the moral of the story is 1 month does work. 3 months seems to not work. Okay, so 1 month works. As you see, I have length bars 20,160. And now let's say I want to do 3 months. I know ahead of time this is not going to work. Okay, So here I created a function that gets, I call the get historical 1 minute data fast, and I give you have a start date, an end date, and what to shows trades. Use regular trading hours, and I had some of my own things. I don't need this if could cat equals true. And I'm going to share this on GitHub. But I figured I give an explanation before I share it, so that's why I made this part of the video. So now, okay, instead of bar size setting is 1 minute, sorry, instead of duration string is, oh yeah, sorry, this is okay. Duration string is 1 month. That is okay. And then here, well, let's just check that this thing works. Um, I called it get historical 1 minute data fast. Okay. Oh, see, I told you the 3 months doesn't work. So that's kind of seems to be the limitation for the 1 minute data. So let's just do it 1 month at a time. We have this thing I'll call it DF. We'll do the symbol. Let's do Tesla. I always do Tesla because it's the most fun stock to trade, especially when you get lucky and you're up. So let's do let's just do the last half of this year, of last year, I guess, already, because it's January 2nd. So end date time, we'll do, let's do 12/1. Just to show you guys, oh, oops. And, oh, no video fuck up count, sorry. It's funny, because I have a thing in my code called, mess up count. This is I called it fuck up count, but I try to switch it to mess up count to make it more politically correct. But I left one of them. So basically, what this is if you have a symbol that screws up a few times, basically to mention it. So, anyways, this function should work. Yeah, sorry for that glitch, but I think it's funny. So now we're retrieving data for Tesla. It gives you like the month. It'll go 1 month at a time. And then in a few minutes, we should have our data. Sorry, I'm impatient. So why don't we just do from, let's say, 10/1. Let's just do this, and we'll see how it looks. Wait for this thing to run. And in the meantime, I'll explain. In the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have like a bunch of symbols. Let's say Russell 1000. And I'm going to show you guys how to, like, if you have multiple accounts. Ooh. So I guess, see, you always have to look into this. Like, say, maybe maybe the 1 month is a little bit maybe sometimes it's too much. Maybe you should do 7 day, 1 week might be better, because sometimes it's just yeah. So you do 1 week at a time, because sometimes the month is too much. So but still, like, as long as it's not a day at a time, it'll be much faster. But like, let's show you guys how this works. Um, Yeah, see, it seems to work. And then I'll print it out here just to show you guys that it's working. So I think the moral of the story is above I got lucky by using 1 month and it ended up working. But here I didn't get as lucky and I used 1 week. and 1 week seems to be better. So I think it's better to do 1 week. It's still way faster than 1 day at a time. And if you do 1 week at a time, um, you should be good. So now this should finish because I did like as long as the start is less than the end. So it just has one more thing. There's all these like pacing restrictions for bar data. Anyways, you see, you get the data frame, and I'm gonna put this on a GitHub in the repository YouTube videos. Hope you enjoyed. The next video will be about threading to make this much faster for many symbols. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Sorry for the fuck up mistake. Anyways, hope you guys are not offended. Thank you.